What's up, terrific trumpet players? This is Band Daily Habits number 2, a warm-up series that I created just for you. Links to the Smart Music Assessment tool and the free PDFs are in the description below. As always, if this is helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. All right, trumpet players, so there is actually a trumpet-specific thing in this that I need to go over with you. I didn't mark this in the sheet music. This is really just for people who are interested in getting even better using this warm-up. We're using alternate fingerings for the G. So this fingering, 1 and 3, normally we associate it with the D. We're going to actually associate it with the G now. So G, 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 D, G, D, G, with no articulation except for on the first note. Okay, that's why I have the slurs indicated here. First note tongue, second note no, third note no. This is to help build your muscle strength and your lip tension. You can practice doing these kind of things in a lot of different ways. But basically just move your lips really fast from one note to the next. And if you overshoot it, that's fine. Sometimes this particular skill takes a long time to develop. I've been doing them my whole life. There's no expectation for you to sound as good as me at this point as a beginner. So beyond those lip slurs is what we call them. Everything else is standard. Don't forget to not articulate these 3 notes because of the slur. Tongue, slur, slur, slur. Tongue, no tongue, no tongue, no tongue, no tongue. Or no articulations, okay? And that goes through for the rest of the tune. If this helps, let me know in the comments below. I love to hear from people from time to time. Keep up the hard work. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.